press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is the makeup look I would be creating for all of you in this video. So it is a really nice green and orange eye makeup look with beautiful red lips, and I have kept my eyes really nice and colorful, and I have kept my lips really bold. So yes, if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. Hey my fam, how are you? And hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe because I will be bringing more such amazing and fun videos for you guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you would miss my upcoming videos, so make sure that you subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So yes, now let's get started with the video. So I have completed my regular jazz, my concealing and my color correction, because it's a really lengthy process and I really hate making my videos lengthy, because then I guess you people might get bored. So I have shot a separate video of my color correction and how I conceal my face. And if you want to see that, so I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar, so you can go and check it out. And also I'm over with my eyebrow thing, because it is also a very lengthy process, and I have a separate video on how I fill my eyebrows, and if you haven't watched it, you can watch it. I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So for my base, I would be using this Lakme Argan Oil Serum Foundation. This is my current favorite and I just love it because it gives me such a nice luminous finish, and it comes with a dropper which is so hygienic for using. So I'm in the shade 05. Yes, I'm in the shade 05, and yes, now let's get started with the application. So now for the blending, I would be using my beauty sponge, and now let's get ahead with the blending. A small trick over here, that never forget your hairline when applying your base, because it would look very weird if you ignore your hairline. It would give a really weird line sort of a thing on your face, which would look so weird. I would be applying the leftover on my neck. So I have applied my foundation, and as you can see, it has given me such a nice luminous finish. It is not a matte thing, and people like me who have dry skin, this is a blessing, guys. So for my eyeshadow, for my crease, I'm using this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it has some beautiful eyeshadows color. But for my crease, I would be using this beautiful coral blush over here, and this is a really nice color, a really nude sort of a color which has some brown hint in it, so it would look beautiful in crease. So with the help of a blending brush, I would be just picking a very little amount, and then I would be placing it on my outer V, and then I would be blending it in my crease. So I have applied my crease color, and it is a really nice soft coral color, and it is looking beautiful on my crease. And now for giving my eyelids a more 3D sort of a look, I would be using this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette. I have made a review video on this, and this was for ₹300 each, I guess, and it has 5 shades. You can see an eyeshadow palette in 300, and which is having 5 shades and beautiful neutral warm sort of shades. So it is a very affordable buy, and if you haven't watched it yet, I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar. So yes, I would be going with this brown color right here. It is a really nice warm chocolatey brown sort of a shade. So with the same blending brush, I would be picking and removing the excess, and now again going on my outer V and then blending it. And now I would be using my Lotus herbals, and it is in the shade Electric Glaze, and it has beautiful colors, you guys. Just look at it. It has green, it has purple, it has a burnt orange sort of a shade, and it has a wine color. So I would be using this burnt orange for my outer lid, and with the help of a color bar blending brush, I would be picking the shade on the brush and then removing the excess, and then just placing it on my outer V. And now with the help of my finger, I would be just placing the eyeshadow on my outer third area. So from my same Lotus Herbals eyeshadow, I would be using this olive green sort of a color. It is a really nice pearly olive green sort of a color, so I would be using for my inner lids. So with my finger, I would be just placing this color. So you see, this is such a nice beautiful green color. And now I would be using the same blending brush with which I have applied my burnt orange color, and there is some leftover burnt orange color on my brush. So I would be applying this on my lower lids. And now for my eyeliner, I would be using this Lakme eyeliner. It is a beautiful eyeliner, guys. This is my current favorite. An affordable eyeliner and gives beautiful results. I have completed my eyeliner, and now I would be heading off with my mascara. And the mascara I'm using is this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. I am using this like in all of my videos because I'm in love with this mascara. It gives me amazing results, and the best part is that it is really affordable. And now for my bronzer, I'm using the Sivanna Colors highlight, and it has beautiful shimmers, highlights and bronzing colors. So I would be using this color right here. It is a beautiful bronzer. So a little bit, and then a little bit on my forehead. Now for my blush, I'm using the Sivanna Colors Glow Fleur Cheeks, and this is a really nice blush, and I'm in the shade 03. It is a really nice orangey peachy sort of a color. So with the help of a brush, I would be picking the blush on my brush, and then I would be placing it right here. Now for my lip color, I'm using this Glam 21 lip color. It is a beautiful reddish maroon sort of a shade, and it would complement this beautiful green and orange eyes so really well. So first of all, I was thinking of going for a nude lipstick, but then I thought this is such a nice beautiful glam eyes, so I should go for a bold lipstick which would suit my whole eye makeup so really well. So yes, here I am with my bold lipstick, and now let's get ahead with the application.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
And now for my highlighter, I'm again using this Sivanna highlighter palette, which has some beautiful shades. So speaking of highlighter, I'm waiting for my Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter, and some shipment issue happened, so it hasn't arrived right now, and I'm waiting for it. So as soon as it will arrive, I would be reviewing for all of you guys. So yes, and also I have ordered the Garnier Micellar Water, the both variants, the normal variants and the, I guess it has argan oil in it, that variant also. So yes, I'm eagerly waiting for it. And now let's get back to this highlighter. So I would be using this shade. This is a really nice champagne gold sort of a color. So with my brush I would be picking and then I would be applying it. It is not a blinding highlighter, but it gives a really nice short. It gives me a really nice sheen. I would be also applying the same highlighter on my brow bone and my chin, and I'm looking like a highlighter palette with full highlight. Recently I'm just going mad for highlighters. I don't know why. So yes, I guess this is like enough with the highlighter thing. So now with my beauty sponge I would be just pressing all the things inside my skin so that it looks all blended and seamless. So yes, this is the end result in front of you guys, and you can see it is looking really nice. You can carry this anywhere you want. You can rock any event with this makeup look, and I'm sure you would recreate this look. And if you recreate, then please let me know in the comments below how was your look and how many compliments you grabbed. So yes, this was all for this video, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go and subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Otherwise you would miss my upcoming videos. You would not get any notifications. So yes, if you want to get notifications of my video and don't want to miss any of my video, then make sure that you hit the bell icon also with the subscribe button. So yes, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.